Yes. The first one is that is core, and other one is going to be extended. The core choose those students who just want to be off the subject, and maybe that is going to be necessary for the admission of any university like this. Okay. In the core subject, the maximum grade that you can take it. For example, if you have 100 marks paper, so the maximum grade that you can get, that is going to be a C grade. I think C to E. All right. The maximum grade that you can take, that is C. On the other hand, if we are going to be talk about the extended, in the extended one, the maximum grade that you can take, that is A star. And all of you are from extended, so we are going to be discuss more about extended one. In extended, you have to be go for two papers. You have to be go for paper 2 and paper 4. We have two papers, paper 2 and paper 4. In paper 2 and paper 4, approximately all the things are going to be same. Like if we are going to say that in paper 2, you have a structural questions. So in paper 4, you have a structural questions as well. All right. In the same way, if we are going to talk about the marks, the paper 2 is 100 marks paper. In the same way, the paper 4 is going to be 100 marks as well. If we are going to be talk about the duration of the paper, the duration of each paper is 2 hours, both of them. So look at here, till here, we did not get any difference between the approximately, did not get any difference between the papers. There is a one major difference here, that is the paper 2 is now a non-calculator paper, and on the other hand, in paper 4, it is calculator paper, or the calculator is allowed in this paper. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
All right. Okay. This is about the syllabus that we have done. Obviously, we have a lot of topics. I'm not going to discuss that one. Okay. We are starting our batch on 2nd of October. Inshallah, our target is to complete IGCSE syllabus that take at least 4 months. So we are going to be take October, November, December, and January. So you can say that we are going to be complete the syllabus in between of February. It doesn't matter. I'm not sure on 2nd of February, 5th of February, 10th of February. I have no time. After that, or we have a March and April. We have 2 months. In March and April, we are going to be go for past paper marathon. Because without doing a full length past paper, it is not possible for you that you are going to be get the good grades. Okay, so I'm taking the 4 months around. It is because we are not taking this one as a short syllabus. We are completing the syllabus within 2 months as well, but that's just a crash course. But we will try our best. We have to be go in this syllabus in a very detail. I will start from a very scratch and end it till the after the practice. All right. So this is our target. Inshallah, we will achieve it as well. Inshallah. Anyone have a question here till here?
No, sir.
All right. We have to start with the lecture. So the topic that we are going to be starting, that is numbers, and that's our first lecture. This is my lecture one, and all of you must have to remember that you are the students of group 2. Okay, when you are sending the message in a private chat, you must have to mention it. You are group 1 student or 2. Okay, let's see how to start. All right, so yes, everyone. First of all, we have to talk about the sets. Can anyone tell me what is set? Anyone? Anyone? What is set?
A set is like a group of numbers.
Yes, it is a group of numbers, a collection of numbers, a collection of objects that is well defined and distinct. We have a collection of objects that is well defined and have a distinct object. All right. For example, I'm not going to be go for set chapter. I just want to be write the number set. That's why I'm just talking about sets here. Okay. For example, if we are going to talk about the set of natural numbers, so you know that in set of natural numbers, you have all the numbers that are started from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In the whole set, it is going to be well defined. One thing, well defined means, for example, if I'm going to be asked with Miran that which numbers are included in the natural numbers, so Miran says it's 1, 2, 3. If I'm going to be asked this from Hanana that what is natural number set, which numbers are included there, so Hanana say is the same answer, right? But for example, if I'm going to be talk about the favorite or beautiful flowers. So yes, Hanana, you have to tell me according to your choice which flower is beautiful.
A rose,
Rose, Miran,
maybe
Sir, dandelions.
sorry,
Sir, dandelions.
can you please spell it?
Sir, D-A-N.
D-A-N,
Sir, D-A-N-D.
D-A-O, D-A-N-D,
E-L.
E-L,
I-O-N-S.
IONS. Okay. Yes, Faria, you have told me about your beautiful flower that you think about it.
Tulips.
Sorry,
Tulip.
spell it.
Tulips. T-U-L-I-P.
This one, no? Yes, Azizul,
Yeah.
you have told me about yourself. I am beautiful
Lilies.
flower. Sorry,
Lilies.
lilies. Spelling is
Lilies. Yes.
all right. All right. So look at here. All them are going to be different. Okay. So it is a distinct objects. But the problem is it is not well defined because if I'm going to talk about according to you, Hanana, the rose is the beautiful one. So this means that this thing is not well defined. So that's why we have to say that it is not a set. For the set, it must be well defined. Well defined means if you have to talk about, for example, if I'm going to be talking about the set of flowers, now you have to take all the flowers on it. It is going to be well defined thing for all of us, right? Now let's go back to the topic. Now in sets, we have to talk about the numbers. We have first set that is natural number. The natural numbers are going to be shown by n, and in natural numbers we have the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinite. All right. Yes, Hanana, you have to be telling me about whole numbers.
Whole numbers are numbers that aren't in fraction form.
No. Any other one?
It's a complete number like 1, 2, 3, 0
It,
as well.
it is, yeah, it is zero is included. In this one, just zero is included. You have a natural number set. In the natural number, if you are going to be adding zero, so it will become
Then it became whole number.
whole number. So what is the changing here? Yes, Miran.
Sir, aren't there also negative numbers?
Now,
Okay, sir.
now the next one we have that is the integer. Start. Yes,
Sorry, sir.
yes.
Nothing, sir.
Integer number. You have to show the integer number by z. All right, look like this one. And in this number, the numbers are started from anyone?
They
Yes,
have
Sir,
negative numbers.
these are the numbers.
please raise a hand.
Oh, wait.
Yes, Hanana.
These are integer numbers that include negative numbers, zero, and positive
All
numbers.
right. You- Now, in integers, so we have all the negative numbers means they are started from negative infinity to the positive infinity. We have to write it like this way. We have 0, plus 1 as well as minus 1. We have plus 2 as well as minus 2. We have plus 3 as well as minus 3. And we have so on. All right, these numbers are integers, but the decimal numbers are not included here. Okay. For example, if I'm going to be open it, it is going to look like this: minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, Rizul, is it clear for you? Yes, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, the next set we have to talk about is even numbers. Now we are going to be talking about the numbers with their some property on it. Okay. Even numbers are majority shows by E. It can be shown. Now, even numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 2. All those numbers are known as even numbers. So all numbers that are divisible by 2, these are numbers are known as even numbers. Like we have 0 is a even number, 2 is a even number, 4 is a even number, 6 is a even number, 8 is a even number, 10 is a even number, 12 is a even number, 100 is a even number. So all those numbers that are divisible by 2, these numbers are known as even numbers. Yes, everyone, any question?
No, sir.
No,
Fariha,
sir.
please mute yourself. When you are saying something, please turn on the mic. There's a
Okay.
noise. All right. Now we have odd numbers. Yes, can anyone tell me which numbers are known as odd numbers? Yes, Mehran.
So which are not divisible by 2.
Yes, all numbers that are not divisible by 2, these numbers are known as odd numbers. In this one, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. So all of these numbers are known as odd numbers. The next set that we have, you must have to be, because when you have to go for the IGCSE paper, it is just a one given information in your paper. Okay, so you must have to be know all the sets that we are going to be used. Now the next we have is a prime number. Prime numbers mostly shows by P. The prime numbers, anyone define it? Which numbers are prime?
That are only divided by itself and 1.
Say it again.
That only comes in the table of itself and 1.
Yes. So those numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. So it means that the prime numbers must have two divisors. That's the reason 1 is not a prime number, because 1 is divisible by 1 and 1 is divisible by itself, but it's a single number. So that's why we will not take 1 as a prime number. So in this one, we are going to get the prime numbers. The first prime number is 2, 3, yes. Anyone? Next prime number is
5,
5,
7,
7,
11,
11,
um,
13, 17,
13, 7, yeah,
19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. You must have to memorize all of them. The reason is examiner gives you the number and he says that tell them it's a prime number or not. Okay. It is a requirement of your syllabus. You must have to memorize all the prime numbers from 0 to 100. All right. Examiner gives you 79 and he says that you have to tell them it is a prime number or not. So obviously it's a bigger number. You are going to be stuck there. It's a prime number or not. And mostly this type of question is come in the non-calculator paper. All right. All right. Now I'm just talking about all the sets, okay, today. Next, we are going to be talking about the square numbers. Square numbers. Yes, Azizul, you have idea what is square numbers? Azizul, are you here?
Sorry, sir.
I'm asking you, have any idea what is square numbers?
Numbers that can be like square rooted, I guess. Like
Yes,
four.
yes, the number that you can written in the form of square, they are known as square number. Or you are able to take a square root. That is also correct. The numbers that can be, yes, Freya.
Sir, isn't a square number as multiplying with the whole number? Like it's a result of multiplying with the whole number.
Sorry?
I mean, it's just uh, a square number is a result of multiplying a whole number by
Yes, you have to.
itself.
Yes, you have to multiply itself. You have any integer number that you have to multiply by itself, and you will get that number. You can say, but it's a very difficult one. So, in simple words, we can say that obviously, when you have to write two square, this means that you have 2 times 2. So, numbers that can be written in the square form, such numbers are known as square numbers. Like, let's see, you have to check. Yes, 4 is a square number.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Why? Because 4 can be
Because
written
it
as,
is 2 times 2. I mean, you
yes,
multiply 2.
it will be a 2 square. Yes, Hanana. Can you please tell me 9 is a square number?
Yes.
Because it is a square of
3.
during the class, make sure you don't have any background noise. Okay, Mirad, please tell me about 16. 16 is the square number,
Yes, sir.
is a square of.
4.
So 16 is a square number, okay? Some students are saying that 3 is a square number. 9 is a square number because 9 can be written as in the square of 3. They think that 3 is a square number, 3 is not a square number. All right. Let's we have to talk about 100. Yes, Azizul. 100 is a square number.
Yes, sir.
It is a square of
10.
10. How we can find the square or square root, we will discuss it later. Okay. I'm just talking about the sets. So till here, it is clear that which numbers are square numbers. Yes, everyone. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, the next we have cube numbers. Yes, the cube numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of anyone?
In cube form.
Yes. All right. So the number that can be written in the cube form, these numbers are known as cube numbers. Like you have, yes, Mehran, 8 is a cube number.
Yes, sir.
It is a cube of
2.
2. Yes, Hana, tell me any other cube number. Azizul, tell me any other cube number.
27.
Yeah,
27. 27 is the cube of 3. Yes, Hana, tell me the next one.
64.
Yes, 64 is a cube number because it is a cube of
4.
4. Yes, can you please tell me 1000 is a cube number? Anyone, please raise the hand. 1000 is a cube number or not? Yes, Hana.
It is
It is a cube of
10.
10. Yes, everyone, it is clear that what is square numbers, cube numbers.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next, we have rational numbers. It is minority shows like Q. Yes, Viran, you have idea what is rational number?
Yes, sir. The numbers which can be expressed as fractions.
Yes, the numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, like p over in the form of fractions. So all of these numbers are known as rational numbers and they are infinite. For example, if I'm going to say that you have 2, yes, anyone, 2 is a rational number, please raise the hand. Yes, Hanana,
It isn't.
I did not get you. You say yes or no?
No.
Okay. Yes, Azizul, 2 is a rational number.
Not sure.
Yes, Mehran, 2 is a rational number.
No, sir.
Yes, Farika.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't listen before you asking about.
All right, so we have to talk about the 2 is a rational number or not. So look at here, there is nothing in the denominator. You know that there is 1 in the denominator. If there is nothing, it means that there is 1. So look at here, 2 can be written as in the form of fraction. This means that 2 is a rational number. All right. In the same way, you have 3 or 4. It is already written in the form of fractions. This means that it's a rational number. If I'm going to talk about 4.5, yes, Mehran,
Sir, your voice
4.5
wasn't
is a
clear.
rational number.
Yes, sir.
My voice is not clear for all of you.
No, sir, it's clear.
For
No,
here, I
it's,
think
it's my
from your
internet
side, I
issue.
think internet. Oh, I can't do anything.
Yeah, I barely
Okay.
see, hear a word, and I cannot see this.
Okay. All right. Now we have 4.5. Yes, Mehran, 4.5 is a rational number.
Yes, sir.
How it is a rational number?
Sir, 9/9/2.
Yes, you have to write 1 at the place of decimal. If you have 2 decimal places, you have to write 2 zeros. If you have 1 decimal place, write 1 zero. If you have 3 numbers, you have to write 3 zeros. All right. So now there is no decimal. So it will become 45 over 10. So look at here, 4.5 can be written as in the form of fraction. So it means that 4.5 is a rational number. So in short, all those numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, they are rational. All right. We will discuss more in more detail that which type of numbers are rational, okay, in decimal form, because we have different types of decimal numbers. We'll discuss it. Okay, next we have irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are chosen by Q dash. So the rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of fraction. Irrational number is the opposite. So all the numbers that cannot be written in the form of fraction, they are irrational. Can not be written in the form of fractions, they are irrational numbers. Not be. For example, if you are finding the value in the calculator, yes, everyone, please find a value in the calculator, the square root 2. What you will get?
1.4.
Complete value. Yes.
You get 1 for 1 for 2 1.
1.14. 1.41 or 1.14?
1.41.
Oh my God. 1.41 agree. So look at here. These are types of numbers. Basically, they are non-terminating numbers and non-recurring as well. So that's why they are irrational, because these types of numbers are not possible to write in the form of fraction. In simple words, we can write it as it's just a single point, okay? Those numbers that are not a perfect square, so they are irrational. All right? It's just a one thing, okay? It's not a every irrational number is like this. You have an irrational number like pi. The value of the the value of the pi is 3.14 something. Look at here, the pi cannot be written in the form of fraction, so we can say that it is going to be a irrational number. Some of students in the smaller class, you have to write 22 by 7. It is approximately equal to, not exactly. Okay, the values are going to be changed if you have to press pi in your calculator and pi by 2. Let me show you. 1 second, I will show my full screen. Just a minute. Yes, can you see my calculator?
Yes, sir.
If I'm going to be press pi
Yes.
in decimal, it is 3.14. Let's take it down. And the value of 22 by 7 in decimal, it is something else. Look at here, we have a difference in the numbers. You have first one is same, second one is same, but the third one is different. And rest of all the numbers are really different. So that's why pi is never be equal to 22 by 7. It's approximately equal to this one. All right. Now, anyone have a question about irrational numbers?
No, sir.
Okay, look at here. When we are talking about the rational numbers, so we have to say that all numbers, positive, negative, decimal numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, they are rational numbers. And irrational numbers, so the numbers that cannot be written in the form of fractions, they are irrational. So if you are going to combine the both sets, so you will get a new set, and that is known as real numbers. It's a rational number union. Union we have to use is a set notation we have to use to combine the elements of both sets. Okay, union q dash. I have to use a notation. That's q dash. If you are going to be adding all the elements of rational numbers, all the elements of irrational numbers, you will get a bigger set, and that is known as real numbers. So this means that real number is one of the biggest set in which you have rational numbers, in which you have irrational numbers, in which you have square numbers, you have odd numbers, you have whole numbers, integers, and all of this. If we are going to be make a chart, Venn diagram type, the smallest set we have to think about it. It is going to be a n.
Sir,
All right. Yes.
um, sir, you were talking about a huge number of group. What was the
That's
name
a
of
real
that group?
number. Real number.
Is it
Real number.
include all even, prime, odd, and all the numbers you
Yes.
studied?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we have a natural numbers. If you are going to be in natural numbers, if you are adding 0, the bigger set will become whole numbers. If in whole numbers you are going to be add the negative numbers, means -1, -2, -3, whole number is also included. The negative number is also included, so it will become a rational number. And irrational numbers, if you will add the irrational numbers, so add irrational numbers, so the set that you will get, it will become a real number. Look at here, in real numbers you have rational numbers, you have irrational numbers, you have whole numbers, you have natural numbers as well. So yeah, I forgot about integer. We have integers here as well. Okay. Oh, wait, there are those. So I forgot about integers, in which you are adding the negative number, and then you have adding the decimal numbers that will become rational, and in rational number you are adding the irrational numbers, so they will become real numbers. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right.